Take some small mozzarella balls. These are the ones used for salads. These guys. Drop it into some flour. Roll it around until it's nice and covered. Then we're going to throw that into some eggs. And then mix it over until it's nice and covered again. Then we're going to scoop this out. It might get away from you. Scoop it out again. And we're going to drop it into some panko. That's Japanese breadcrumbs. These are super crispy, bigger shards of breadcrumbs. Once it's nice and covered, then you're going to take this little thing and it's ready to go. You can either put it straight into the air fryer or put it in a Tupperware box and freeze it. If you freeze it, they'll need a bit longer. But if you don't, it's 4 minutes in the air fryer, 200 degrees Celsius, something in Fahrenheit, and they come out like this. If you freeze it, it might need 5 to 6 minutes. But look at this cheese pull. These are amazing. Let's do that cheese pull again. I'm obsessed with this cheese pull. It's such a crispy, thin crust and then just melted mozzarella all the way. I'd recommend you dip it in some marinara sauce and then you enjoy them. And try not to pull the cheese apart like I keep doing.